Hi, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to use your all-in-one PC as an additional extra monitor. See, this is my PC. I'm using this as my monitor. This can be used as a monitor and a CPU also, like individual system itself. So to do that, we have two HDMI ports which on the back, where you can connect one HDMI in to be as additional display, to be used as a display, I mean to say monitor as my PC. And if you want to use your display in another monitor, that HDMI out to this monitor, that I will show you now. See, look at this. This is my PC. Look at this is my PC and I'm using this as monitor. Okay, for this I'll show you the connections. Let's go back. Look at this, there are two HDMI ports. This is HDMI in, this is HDMI out. Okay, now this is been working as a monitor to my CPU. Now I'll do one thing, I will remove this and I'll use that monitor as this additional display to my all-in-one. Now what I will do, I will remove this and I'll connect it to HDMI out, and I will remove the connection which I have given to my this thing, and I will connect it to my monitor which is HDMI. Now see, I have connected to this. Let me connect with keyboard, mouse also, which I have not connected. Yeah, I've connected. Now let us see. I will just turn it on. Yes, see, now it is turned on. Till now it was not turned on, it was working as a monitor. Yes, see, it is turning on now. Yes. Okay, look at this. Okay, two displays. This display as additional display. Two ways you can use this. You can use this all-in-one machine as a monitor for your any of your CPU, and you can use additional display from this. I mean, you can extend the display to another monitor with this. That is because they've given a separate new feature with the two HDMI ports, one HDMI in, HDMI out. HDMI in means this will be used as a monitor, and HDMI out means you will get this display out there in somewhere. This is how it is. Okay, and all that you need to do is you need to press a button which is here. I'll show you button. Look at this small one. Till the power one, big one is on and the button, the smaller one is on top. Okay, that's how it is. This will be very useful for so many people, those who does multitasking. It is very useful. I mean, this will save thousands of rupees for them. So instead of buying extra additional monitor, they start using this way. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.